everyone, how are you doing? This is Tony FX. If this is your first time to be on our call, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Today, I'll be giving you the full update on Bitcoin, USDT, and other crypto pairs. So currently on the daily time frame, we can see that Bitcoin has broke below the uptrend line and the psychological support at the $50,000 range, which may have resulted in panic selling by traders. Although bulls purchased the dip aggressively over here, as you can see, this long week that came down to the $42,000, the bulls bought aggressively and the price increased. So over here, you can see that the downsloping exponential moving average 26, which is the blue line, is currently at the price of $55,637. You can see that over here. Over here, you can see my cursor. So that's the current price, $55,637. And over here, you can see that our stochastic has moved from an oversold position and is currently increasing. And the MACD is showing us that volume is being added to the market. All we need now is to get this blue line on the MACD to cross above the orange line, and we'll be expecting more push to the upside. The sellers will attempt to flip this coin, Bitcoin, at this price. Here we have a resistance bar. They will try to flip it at this $52,500 and then try to push the market back down to this $42,000 strong support, which held Bitcoin previously. So if they're able to turn this resistance here and this trend line as a resistance at the $52,500 price, then the market we're expecting a more drop to the downside, which is $42,000. But if it breaks above, alternatively, if the bulls take pressure and break above this trend line, this uptrend line, and close above this our EMA 26, which is this blue line, exponential moving average 26. This is this blue line. Then we expect a rally up to the $61,000. First of all, we need the bulls to break above this trend line, this uptrend line, break above it, which is going to be above the $52,500 mark. After they break above it, then we also expect it to break above this exponential moving average, the blue line. Then we'll be expecting market to do what? Head to this point, which is $61,000. So this is what I think about BTC USDT at the moment. Okay, while on Ethereum USDT, we can see on the 4th of December, there was a plunge to the downside. So after this plunge to the downside, buyers bought at the dip massively at the price of $3,500. That's our very strong support. The buyers bought, and then on the 5th, there was they established a very strong bullish market, and on the 6th, the market continued going up. So currently, we can see that there is a stiff resistance at the $4,250 mark. $4,250 mark currently, but $4,250 mark, but it broke it. It broke it with this green candle. It broke it with this green candle. It broke it with this green candle on the 6th of December. So currently right now you can see that price is above the stiff resistance, which is at $4,260 price for Ethereum. But if price is able to break above this massive resistance you can see here, which is at the price of the $4,868. If price is able to break above this price, then we are anticipating for higher price range, which is 5,000 and above. But if it doesn't, alternative is that if it then goes below the 50 EMA again, we can anticipate a massive drop down to the $3,400, which is close to where we have our strong support at $3,500. So that's what I think about the Ethereum pair. Finally, and our last pair for today, BNB USDT. Currently, we can see that the candle is in between the 20 EMA, the blue line, and the 50 EMA, the black line. On the 3rd of December, the market closed below the 26 EMA, this is exponential moving average 26. And then on the 4th December, when we have our plunge to the downside, the market went down rapidly, close to the $489 per BNB price, and buyers came back and bought aggressively to save the price and close above the 50 EMA. But on the 5th December, the bulls still pushed the price down below the 50 EMA, and on the 6th December, they pushed the price back up. The bulls push the price back up. So currently we can see a range between the 26 EMA and the 50 EMA. What my bias is right now is that if the price is able to close above the 26 EMA, then I'll be watching out for a rapid push. We need to close above the 26 EMA, and then I'm watching out for a rapid push to the upside to the $670 resistance point. But if it closes below the 50 EMA again, then I'll be anticipating a downward push to the $435 price. So this is my bias for BNB USDT. Market is reactional, not predictable. So depending on how it reacts, we trade. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Invite your friends, tell them about this channel, and more content like this will be dropped. Do have a wonderful day, and God bless you.